In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Google Photos organized and backed up in just 5 minutes. Google Photos is an incredibly powerful tool for storing your cherished memories, and learning how to manage it efficiently will ensure that your pictures are always safe and accessible. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, make sure you're on your Google browser. This is where we'll be doing most of our work. Once you're there, look for the Google Apps icon, which is typically found in the upper right hand corner of your screen. It looks like a small grid of dots. Click on this icon to reveal a drop down menu comprising various Google services. Locate the Photos option within this menu and click on it. This action will direct you to your Google Photos homepage, where you can view all your uploaded photos and albums. It's essentially the hub of your visual memories. Now, to add new photos, direct your attention to the plus icon, which is generally located at the top of the screen. Clicking this icon will present you with a couple of different options. Select the Import Photos option. This is your gateway to transferring pictures from other devices or locations directly into your Google Photos library. It's an excellent feature for consolidating your photos in a single, easily accessible location. Once you've selected Import Photos, you can proceed to import the pictures you wish to store in Google Photos. This step is crucial for safeguarding them from accidental deletions or device loss. As you import, make sure to allow time for larger files to upload, especially if you're dealing with high-resolution images. Another neat feature of Google Photos is the ability to download photos whenever you need them. If you wish to download a specific photo, first click on the picture you want from your photo library. This action will open up the photo in a larger view. In the upper right, there's a three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on it to reveal several actions that you can take with the photo. From that menu, you'll see an option labeled Download. Clicking it will start the download process, allowing you to save a copy of the photo directly onto your device. This can be particularly helpful when you want to share photos through other platforms or keep a backup on your local drive. And there you have it, a straightforward way to keep your Google Photos organized and backed up. By following these steps, you can ensure that your photos are safe, easily accessible, and ready to share whenever you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Have a wonderful day with your memories securely stored.